attention! Check out the big fire truck!
Fire trucks are so cool!
Listen, the alarm is going off.
Uh-oh! That kitty is stuck high up in a tree, and she can't get down!
The fire truck's going to rescue the kitty. Don't worry, kitty. Help is on the way.
The fire truck has everything it needs to rescue the kitty. It's the Umi alarm. Let's check my belly screen to see what the problem is.
Oh no, look! The toolboxes, hoses, and ladders are falling off the fire truck. The fire truck needs its rescue gear to save the kitty.
Umi friend, we need to pick up all the rescue gear and help the fire truck save the kitty.
Let's take Umi fire truck.
Team Umizoomi firefighters to the rescue! The road is covered with toolboxes. Help Umi fire truck pick up the toolboxes we need.
To steer Umi fire truck, move the mouse back and forth, like this.
The toolboxes we need have even numbers on them. I'll call out an even number. Then you steer Umi fire truck to the toolbox with that number on it.
But be careful. If you steer Umi fire truck to the wrong toolbox, we'll bounce backwards.
Avoid obstacles, or click the mouse button to clear them away with our fire hose. Collect fireman's badges along the way for bonus points.
Ready? Let's do it! All right! Keep collecting badges!
A ramp. Drive over it to make Umi fire truck jump. Leaping laptops. Nice jumping. And look, we got more badges for being so brave.
Look out for toolboxes up ahead. I'll call out an even number. Then you steer Umi fire truck to the toolbox with that number on it. Here we go! Find the toolbox with the number 6. Great job! 6 is an even number.
Great gizmos!
Whee! This time, find the toolbox with the number 4. Got it! 4 is an even number.
Umi friend, watch out for piles of leaves ahead. Steer around them. Or click your mouse button to spray them away with our fire hose. Umi-rific hose spraying.
Great gizmos!
Now we need to find the toolbox with the number 10. Awesome! 10 is an even number. Uh-oh, there's a pile of rocks up ahead. Steer around it, or click your mouse button to spray it away with our fire hose. Yes, our fire hose cleared the way. Umizoomi! Help us collect the toolbox with the number 12. Umi-rific! 12 is an even number.
Umi-rific hose spraying.
Yes, our fire hose cleared the way.
Umi-rific hose spraying.
We need to collect one last toolbox. This time, steer us to the toolbox with the number 2. All right, we got the last toolbox.
Thanks, Umi friend.
We collected all the toolboxes.
But we still need the hoses and ladders. Let's go! This street is covered with hoses.
The hoses we need to pick up are in the right order. Count along with us. Then steer Umi fire truck to the hose with the number that comes next.
Let's give it a try. The numbers on these hoses go 5, 6, 7, 8. What number comes next? 9! That's right!
Don't forget to collect more badges along the way.
Come on, Umi friend. Let's pick up more hoses.
All right! Keep collecting badges!
Leaping laptops! That was quite a jump! And look, we got more
Yes! Our fire hose cleared
Count along with me. Then steer Umi fire truck to the hose with the number that comes next. 16, 17, 18, 19. What number comes next? 20!
Great counting! Great gizmos!
Whee! Here come more hoses. 3, 4, 5, 6. What number comes next? 7.
Great gigabytes! Nice job! Great gizmos!
Umi-rific hose spraying.
Yes!
If you see a fireman's hat, collect it, and we'll get bonus badges.
Here come more hoses. 5, 6, 7, 8. What number comes next? 9.
You really know your numbers! Umizoomi!
Great gizmos!
Umi-rific hose spraying. More hoses ahead. 7, 8, 9, 10. What number comes next? 11! You got it, Umi friend!
Yes! Our fire hose cleared the way!
Umi-rific hose spraying.
Yes! Our fire hose cleared the way!
We need to collect one last hose. 8, 9, 10, 11. What number comes next? Umi-rific! We got the last hose!
All right! You're great at counting!
We've got the toolboxes and the hoses!
Now we just need the ladders!
Let's check in with the kitty.
Hi, kitty! We almost have everything we need to rescue you! Meow! Okay, team! Let's go get those ladders!
Hold on to your helmets!
Yoinks-a-doinks! This street is covered with ladders.
Help us find the ladders that fit together!
Let's count the numbers. 21, 22, 23, 24. What number comes next?
Yes! 25!
It's up to us, Umi friend! Let's collect more ladders!
And keep picking up badges!
Woohoo! Nice jumping! And look, we got more badges. Look out for ladders up ahead. Count the ladder numbers with me. Then steer Umi fire truck to the ladder with the number that comes next. 35, 36, 37, 38. What number comes next? 39. Sizzling circuits! You got it!
Yes! Our fire hose cleared the way!
If you see a siren on the road, steer Umi fire truck over it for a special Umi-rific hose spraying. Whee!
Here we go, more ladders. 32, 33, 34, 35. What number comes next? 36.
Yahoo! That's right!
Great gizmos!
Yes! Our fire hose cleared the way!
Umi-rific hose spraying.
Here we go, more ladders. 25, 26, 27, 28. What number comes next? 29.
Umi friend, you're mighty good at counting.
Umizoomi! Yes! Our fire hose cleared the way!
Umi-rific hose spraying.
Here we go, more ladders. 36, 37, 38, 39. What number comes next? 40. Sizzling circuits, you got it!
Yes! Our fire hose cleared the way!
Umi-rific.
Yes! Our fire hose cleared the way!
Umi-rific
Yes! Our fire hose cleared the way!
Umi-rific.
Yes! Our fire hose cleared the way!
We need to collect one last ladder. 22, 23, 24, 25. What number comes next? Yes! We got the last ladder!
Umi friend, you're a super number whiz.
We got all the ladders! And now we have everything we need! Let's go rescue the kitty!
Never fear. Team Umizoomi is here. Fire truck, we picked up all your rescue gear. Now we can help you get the kitty down from the tree.
First, we need to clear away that mud so the fire truck can get close to the tree. Let's use the hose.
Now we need to use the tools to put the ladder together. Up we go!
Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Way to go, Umi friend! We saved the kitty!
Click the play again button if you want to start the fire truck rescue from the beginning. Or click here to print a special Team Umizoomi picture you can color later.